What is border style property? Well, border style property represents CSS property that we use to set style of the border. Like property value for border style CSS property, we can use all these values. So we can use dotted, dashed, solid, double, groovy, ridge, inset, outset, none, and hidden. For the last two values, none and hidden, will both give the same result. We will not have border, but for the first one, none means that we actually will not have border at all. In other case, for hidden, this means that we will have border, but this border will be hidden or not visible. With the border style CSS property, we can set style for complete border that surrounds our HTML element, or for just specific side of the border. Okay, let's see some examples. Well, for this part, I have already prepared basic HTML document structure. Our HTML document has head and a body. Inside of body, we have simple paragraph, and our paragraph has ID with property value p1. Inside of head element, we have title for our HTML document, and we have style block with styles for our body. In this case, we have just our simple p1 ID selector that will apply on our paragraph 1 border style with property value solid. I saved this document like index.html on the desktop. So let's minimize our text editor. This is our index page, so let's open it. So this is how our web page looks like. Okay, so let's analyze our web page. Let's click on the right click. Let's select inspect. So now on the right hand side, we can see structure of our HTML document. Let's expand head. Let's expand body. So inside of head, we have style that we have defined. This is our paragraph, so we can click on it. So down here, you can see border style with property value solid that we have set inside of our HTML document. Okay, so now if you click on solid value here and delete it, you will get all available values that you can use for border style CSS property. So now, if you use arrows up and down, you can go through all properties that you can use for border style. So this is how dashed looks like. This is dotted. This is double. This is groovy. This is hidden. This is inherit. By the way, inherit works on that way that border style will be inherited from a parent component. In our case, our parent is body. So for body, border style property is not set. So that is a reason for our current element, we don't have border as well. This is initial. Initial is unset by default. This is inset. This is none. Outset. Revert will basically revert on initial value. This is ridge. This is solid. And this is unset. So these are all available property values so feel free to play around with this. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate or PayPal. Please remember, even a little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.